world's largest fusion reactor is in process, and this is assembling a mini star in France to bring in clean energy. So ITER is building this fusion reactor, and it is believed that the first time in history it would produce more thermal energy than it could consume. So it would have a capability to produce nearly 500 megawatts in order of the consumption levels of 50 megawatts. So this would be a proof of the successful fusion power reaction useful for power plants. Now by numbers if we go, the cost appears to be somewhere around $25 billion with 7 international partners and a very high plasma and magnet temperature, and a very low magnet temperature that could be seen. Now what are some of the important components that we would see? This would work on the principle that the hydrogen isotopes, the deuterium and the tritium, would be heated to form the plasma. Now they would fuse to form the helium, and this process would release huge amount of energy. Now this whole fusion reactor would require tokamak. Tokamak are toroidal chambers with magnetic coils, and this is the basis for the reactor to hold the plasma. Then there would be a vacuum vessel which would be of the shape of a donut, and it would be the place where the real fusion reaction would go. It would require superconducting magnets. The largest magnet system which could be ever built would be required to actually shape this 150 million degrees of plasma. Then there would be a chilling plant, which would be the largest liquid helium refrigeration unit to absolutely zero for superconductivity, and then a blanket cover which would be a steel shield coated with beryllium to absorb the extra heat and the extra radiations through this process. So the project is started in 2020, where the various components from the world came together at the site in France. The first plasma goal is in 2025, and this would be the time where the reactor would be switched on to test the ability to create and contain plasma. And then it is believed by 2035 this would turn out to be fully operational to demonstrate a net energy gain and bring fusion reactors for commercial use into market. So a very important discovery, a breakthrough development. We will be covering important developments in science and technology, highly important for your upcoming prelims examination. So stay tuned for further updates from our side. Thanks for joining in.